To use spacebar or language key to change language in Samsung keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management. Tap Samsung keyboard setting and then tap languages and types. Tap language switching method and then select language key and spacebar swipe. To see the result, open an app where you can type with your Samsung keyboard. Now you can switch between input languages you have added and enabled in your Samsung keyboard by tapping the language key or that key with the globe icon until your Samsung keyboard displays the language you like to use with, or by swiping the spacebar to the left or right until it displays the language you like to use with. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.